Today we are in the appellation of Costers del Segre, and more specifically in the subzone of Pallars, in the Prepirineu. And now we are going to Tremp, and I would like to explain you about the project that we are doing there. Back in the 90s, we were looking for places with lower temperatures so that we could delay the ripening as much as possible. And looking all over Catalonia, we found this place in Sant Miquel de Gurp at 950 meters high. The landscape here is amazing. You can see the Montsec of the Prepirineu, and I can tell you this is an ideal place to grow vineyards, especially now with the challenge of the climate change. And it's fantastic to see that, you know, in the past there used to be vineyards, they almost disappeared, and now vineyards are back again. From all the different varieties that we have planted here, there is one that is, I would say, the queen of all of them, and that's Pirene. These are the vines that you can see here. Pirene is very special because it's one of our ancestral varieties, a variety that needs very cool climate. And here, at 950 meters high in Tremp, is where we can find that climate. One of the amazing things that we can find here in the vineyard of Sant Miquel de Gurp are these gravel and alluvial soils. It is quite strange to find these soils because we are high in the mountains here. So why these soils appear like this? Because in the ancient past, this used to be a very large river, a river that was not going to the Mediterranean, it was going to the Cantabric Sea. And because of the tectonic forces, all this river emerged and went up into the top of the mountain. And this is why we can find these very unique soils here. I like to think that every vineyard has a name, just as we have also a name. So this particular vineyard takes the name from this chapel, the chapel of Sant Miquel de Gurp. It was built during the 11th century, and it was built so that people could come here to pray, looking for protection and for prosperity. And this is why everyone here knows that these vineyards of my family, they have the name of Sant Miquel. Some days ago, I came here with my family, and we did an activity that we all enjoy very much, that is to spot vultures. So today, I'm going to meet with my friend Carlos, that he's a biologist and owner of Photologistics, and I hope that he help us to spot some vultures. Carles, com estàs?
Molt bé.
Com va això? Tot bé?
Tot
Sí?
Sí, sí.
Bueno, escolta, tu ja portes 13 anys
13 anys.
amb tot el tema dels voltors, aus en general. Explica'ns una mica més quins tipus d'aus podem trobar aquí.
Aquí al Pallars Jussà és el lloc perfecte per veure rapinyagues. Aquestes que anem a veure ara són les rapinyagues que mengen carronya, són les que anomenen carronyagues. Aquí podem veure les 4 espècies de voltors. El voltor comú, el voltor negre, l'aufrany, que és un migratori, i el trencalòs.
I quin és el més difícil de veure?
El trencalòs.
El trencalòs.
Però per una qüestió de nombre. Hi ha menys trencalòsos que els altres. Tota aquesta experiència es basa en que el guia t'acompanya fins a la caseta, els ocells no saben comptar, arriben 2 persones, tu desapareixes dins, jo desaparec perquè marxo amb el vehicle i aquí no passa res. Només passa que hi ha menjar.
Fantàstic, o sigui que d'alguna forma els enganyem una mica, no?
Totalment.
Som-hi, va. Wow, this is very exciting. I hope that this time we're lucky and we can spot some vultures. Let's hope so.
Què tal, Miquel? Com ha anat això?
Carles, espectacular,
Sí.
Escolta, crec que, si no he comptat malament, hem vist 3 espècies de les 4 de voltors.
Fantàstic.
Sí?
Esto negra, però ben aprofitada, no?
Havia el voltor negre, havia el voltor comú, i després hi havia l'aufrany també, que era preciós, un color una mica més clar. Doncs moltíssimes gràcies, i mira, per agrair-t'ho, et volia donar aquesta ampolla, que és de les primeres ampolles que fem de la varietat Pirene, de les nostres vinyes que estan aquí al costat, que són les vinyes de Tremp. Així que espero que en gaudeixis.
Moltíssimes gràcies, ens aprendrem a la vostra salut.
Molt bé, gràcies.
Gràcies.
Thank you very much for being with us in this trip in Tremp, and I hope that it was an opportunity for you to know more about this fantastic place here in Catalonia, not only for wines, but for all the experiences that you can have.